Hello, I'm in a 2011 Volvo XC90 and I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first step, from the driver's side, you're going to find a lever right here. It's a little tension you pull. Hear that release. So you can see the back side. It's a little dark, but you can see there's a cable there that should be attached. You can kind of see it there. Sorry it's not brighter. If that's not attached for some reason, or it's not nearly tight enough, you'll have to go in and find a way to tighten that up and reattach it. But now that that's released, I'll go back up here. You should feel this is a little loose now. On most vehicles, the levers to release are towards the middle. This one's actually over here. So you'll reach the lever's right in here. There it is. So I'm pushing up. There we go. So this is what it looks like from the inside. It pulled up and then pulled the hood. So this, through these parts, came to that, and that hook is hooked onto this. And that's what's keeping it locked. So if you're having issues with this part, possibly your hood's not quite aligned straight, if this hook's not on properly, or potentially these is a little off alignment, just to these parts, or you got like some debris of some sort caught in there. So you might need to go clean some debris out, spray some WD-40 to get this all loosened up. Otherwise, these parts are fairly inexpensive if something needs replaced. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.